here, but you can also super welcome to leave your questions here. But you can also leave on LinkedIn, because LinkedIn records everything. If we are not able to answer everything here during our meeting, we can go there and keep answering you and give you all the information that you need, and we may miss it to tell you here.
Perfect. Jivitha, Abhi, do we have folks on Google Meet right now?
Yeah, they are joining. I pasted the link as well.
Perfect.
I'm pasting it again.
Yeah, please accept all the requests that we get. And let's see.
We have 10 more minutes. It's unmuted, Abhi. Okay.
No.
No. That's fine. If we have audiences over here, it's fine.
Okay, can you check now? Everyone can hear me in the LinkedIn Live? Are you able to hear us now? Okay, so should we take the next slide?
Perfect. Shall we continue now? Perfect. All right. Sorry all for a little bit of inconvenience. We have most of the folks here. Astha, at the end of the session, it will take like 30 minutes to cover all the slides. Later, if you have any questions, you can unmute yourself and ask. And also, meanwhile, you can paste it in the chat. Ladies over here will try to answer it. Poonam, if you can move on to the next slide, please. All right, perfect. About the program. Moving forward, what is AWS Community Builders, or who are AWS Community Builders, right? So before 3 years, even I don't know the term. I don't know how to become one, but majorly I don't know what is AWS Community Builder program. So this is a program that will, provide you all the technical resources. It will provide you education, teaching sessions. It will provide you with all the networking opportunities in AWS community. And you would be one of the emerging leaders who will contribute towards AWS community. But before becoming AWS Community Builder, you should be familiar with at least what is AWS. You should be enthusiastic enough to contribute towards community, whatever you know, beginner level, expert level, intermediate level, whatever knowledge you have, you should have that passion within yourself to bring it out, teach your folks, or just share your knowledge with public. So that is what a community builder is. That is what we as AWS Community Builder do. We try to go to events, or if not possible, we try to educate folks in the community with whatever learnings, with whatever knowledge we have, via blog, via videos, via just a LinkedIn article, or by creating any short or long form videos, right? So this is what we do. But becoming an AWS Community Builder also comes with its perks and advantages that will help you more to enhance your skills, to enhance your knowledge on AWS, to give you a platform where you can share your knowledge, where people can recognize you as an AWS Community Builder, right? So this is a little bit about the program. The program is opening real soon. We will be sharing a QR code where you will be joining the waiting list, and once it opens, you can apply it. How to apply, what to fill. We have all these ladies here to give you a brief about it. So I will hand it over to the other person, but this is about AWS Community Builder. This is about who is an AWS Community Builder. A, those who have passion within themselves to share their knowledge with AWS community, with tech communities. B, you should be getting all the resources you will be needing to reach out to wider audiences. So these are a few things that I wanted to tell you about the program. Moving forward, we have benefits. So all right,
so first thing comes to my mind whenever anyone is talking about it, what I'm gonna get. Swags, obviously, guys, you're gonna get swags, lots of swags. But along with that, there are a lot more than swag that you will be getting. Firstly, sense of the global community. You will be joining this global community of AWS people, wonderful people, where you can connect with them around the world. This will also open the opportunities for collaborations, partnerships, and you can also work with them on joint projects or any joint articles. You might be wondering how we as a community builder knows a lot of few things that is not open to all. So that's where early access of AWS insights is for us. Before it releases to common people, it will be available for us to get our hands dirty and do a lot of work on it, make some projects or test it inside out. We also get AWS credits, that is $500. That will be renewed annually if your community builder program gets renewed. And yeah, you can play along, like you don't have to pay for your personal project apart from whatever you are using this credits for. There are also a lot of learning and sharing in this program, like you can publish your articles, it will be read worldwide. Like, uh, you can put it on LinkedIn, you can put it on the dev.io sites, and also AWS community. What it will do, it will amplify your voice in a field. Also, recognition and support from the community. It will be visible, like how much community work you are doing and what the other things that you are sharing along with your learning and experiences. And at last, there will be tags and fun activity that is happening every Friday. It is exclusive for AWS community builders. We have a proper Slack channel for it. So yeah, stay tuned to get you more about the benefits.
All right.
Yep. Thanks, Osha. Jivita, you want to go next?
Oh, yeah. Well, coming to next part, how? So this is a question we as a community builder get asked the most. So how do I get into the AWS Community Builder program? So let me be very honest with you. There isn't any shortcut. It's a clear path that we have. Your contribution matters. So what basically AWS looks at your application is they're not asking like how many certifications you have or how many years of experience you have. They ask only one thing: have you consistently helped others learn AWS, either by sharing your blogs or YouTube videos, or any form of contribution would be recognized. So a lot of people think that I'm not a blogger or YouTuber, so I can't apply. That's completely wrong. AWS will explicitly say you need at least two technical contribution, and they can mean anything. For example, a presentation you gave at a college or a meetup, any workshop or a hands-on session that you gave as a speaker. A blog would also help, a Medium blog, dev post, LinkedIn, anywhere. A short demo video or a podcast episode where you were one of the speaker or an organizer or a contributor in some way or the other. Even a well explained Twitter or a LinkedIn thread will also help. If it helps one person understand AWS better, it then counts. So it is like not limited to content creation. You can also look into your community contributions, like organizing a meetup, or you can like mentor your juniors, like how I did during my college days. Then helping people understand AWS, solve issues in public forums, then translating any of the current challenges, like participating in hackathons and AWS challenges that are hosted. So that also helps. So yes, so if you know an existing AWS community builder, a referral will generally help you. But let me be very clear to you. So strong contributions can get you in even without a referral. So focus on building anything that is super worth it, real, visible. So referrals come naturally even after that. So don't wait to be ready for what you wanted to do. Just start contributing. It can be anything that you want. And if you have any questions regarding the same, you can post it in the chat and we are here to help you out.
I just want to add one thing. If you apply this year and if you don't get selected, don't be disheartened. Every year, AWS team receives tons of applications, right? And very few of them make it. But even I made it in my second try, and I know other folks also would have made it in their multiple attempts. So you cannot get in first time. And if you did, very good, very well, right? But if you can't, keep applying next year and I'm sure if you are contributing well, you will get in, not if not this year, then next year. So just wanted to highlight it, that if you don't getting, it's fine. If you're not planning to apply this year but want to know and prepare yourself in this upcoming year about how to become an AWS community builder, it's still fine, right? So just don't get demotivated, because I did, and then I had my mentors, I had my friends to motivate me again, to show me the correct directions, because earlier when I know about the program, I was not contributing the way I think I was contributing. So that's where I got mentorship, that's where I got referrals, that's where my friends motivated me again, and I applied and I got in the next time. So just stay curious, keep contributing and apply next time if you don't get it.
So guys, how many of us are selected in the first time? How many of us?
I wasn't.
I wasn't.
I
Oh,
was.
you're the first.
What I would recommend is,
Twice.
what I would recommend is, if you don't get in your first attempt, you can always join the wait list. And when the application opens, you'll also be notified via mail. So that also helps. And 1 year, you will be having solid 1 year to contribute and showcase in the community, give out your visibility, and you'll definitely get it in the second attempt. That's how it all happened for all of us.
Okay, before we go further, I would like to add something. Before I join, I have a question. Are they going to charge anything to us? But no, the application is completely free. You don't have to pay anything for that.
Yeah. Swati, you can ask your question. I can see your hand raised right now.
Yeah, I'm
all
asking you that. I mean that community builder is always who is who having the visibility, who uses the AWS services and giving the exposure to the AWS services to the audience, right? So
Partially.
I will talk about a little bit when I talk about the application. So this is why I asked, please wait for the questions and the questions time that we already planned for that, because we will talk about it. We still have lots to explain to you about. But yeah, I will answer your question soon.
okay, thank
So I
you.
think you can add your question in the chat and we'll take all the questions together and maybe more.
I'm listening to you and I'm having some queries. So because of that, I'm not getting right direction. So how I can apply, where I can fit the scenario. So that's why I asked you.
Okay, no problem.
Thank you.
I think few of the things you will get to know by the end of the presentation, and then if still you have any question, then we can park it for quick Q&A. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you so much. Okay, let me go next then, right? So big question that people ask, right? Who can get in? Poonam, can we move to the next slide? So if you think of it, right? Anyone and everyone who is above the age of 18, that is the minimum requirement. Like you should be above 18. And then if you are passionate about building, if you're passionate about sharing, you can get in. There is no limitation there. And if I talk of my story per se, right? I think around 2.5 years ago, I just went to a meetup, which was in the same city. And I think until after that as well, right? Until 6 months, I didn't even knew that there is a program called Community Builder. So I met Poonam in that meetup, and like we got to start talking, and then I got to know like how she's contributing in the community. I started doing the same. And eventually some people started telling me like, why don't you apply for this? And this was so new to me because I didn't know it happened. I was just unknowingly contributing, and then I got to know like there is something like this that is present where you get more and more opportunities further, and then things like this, the benefits that we covered earlier. And then it got me all excited. And that's how the whole journey began. So there is no limitation that who can get in, who is eligible. Just start contributing the way, in any and every way that you can. And if you're passionate, you will be able to join the bigger gang, if I may, right? Where you get to know people from a global perspective and people from different backgrounds. And that's where you can maybe cross a bigger bar, which you might not have even thought of, right? So who can get in? Only one minimal requirement, above the age of 18. And then it is encouraged, like if you are looking for contributing more into the community, then you can just apply, share the way you are contributing in the community. And once you get in, right, big plus, like these applications are reviewed once a year. So you can keep on being a part of a community as long as you're contributing. And like just get a fact check maybe every year, right? That am I going in the right direction? And the people in the community will try to help you wherever you can. And one part there is, right, so it's a process for selection there, which we covered in the previous slides as well, where based on the quality of contribution, based on the impact that we build in the community, bring in the community, that those are the few levers based on which the evaluation happens and based on which you can get in. And if you are doing the right set of technical contributions or maybe community contributions, you are up for it. So don't hesitate and try to give it your shot, right? Yeah, I think like I covered, right? You're up for renewal after every 1 year. So there is a lot of ground to cover, a lot of time you have to contribute, and also in the process, learn a lot from the community. So yeah, that's my take on who can get in and who should basically think about coming in this gang, right? And if I see 94 people who are on the call right now, I think all of you, I would say, are eligible for this. So yeah, thank you guys. Okay, I'll maybe hand over to Susanna.
Fantastic. So now let's talk about the biggest moment, which is, okay, I want to join the Community Builders program. So what do I need to do to apply? So since now you can join the waiting list, that will guarantee that we will receive a notification when the application starts. We can tell you here that application will start from 7th of January, and you will have 2 weeks to apply for that. So you can join the waiting list now and receive the notification. So this is the QR code. And if you can move it to another slide, so let's talk about the details. The first thing that I'm going to tell you is, take your time to think about your application, and it's not a rush that, oh my gosh, the application starts, I need to apply in the first 5 minutes to get in. No, it's not per time, it's quality. So, and talking about quality, I want that. Yeah, looks okay, let's move that. So what you need to do, you will have an application form that you can answer some questions. And I would say take your time. You don't need to submit in the first 5 minutes. Read about your question, reflect about it. You will have questions like why you are interested in this program. So where are you on your cloud journey? So have you helped others in any way? So this is the moment when you can tell what you have been doing for the community. As the girls already told you, Community Builders program, it's for who to dedicate their time, their love, their passion to support community, support others' growth. If you are doing that, you already create content, you already produce material to help others to learn about AWS, you are eligible, you can apply. You need to choose, this is super important. Susanna, do I need only to talk about AWS to be part of the program? No. That you must provide at least 2 examples of a technical work. Can be a talk you gave, can be a podcast that you run, a YouTube YouTube video, can be an article, or can be a blog that you have. Must be a technical content. Social media posts are not technical content, okay? Technical content is an article, explain, or a talk, or a video, or a podcast, or any content that explains something about AWS solutions, or doesn't need even to be specifically about AWS. You can talk about a solution in a problem in your backend, and you use a service, you use a Lambda to sort out how can you use a Lambda to do something. And it doesn't not be specifically about, but it must include AWS in the content. AWS will check the accuracy and the helpfulness of this content, that this example that you are giving. So when you choose your 2 examples, can be 2 to 4. So when you choose your examples, choose something that is really helpful. I recommend you ask around for your friends, like, what do you think about this article? Get like 5, 10 opinions, and then you choose the best ones that everyone really think, no, this is super helpful, this is well explained, this is well written, this is really helping the community to use this service. And you check also the majority of the areas that you talk, because it's once a year. So you can choose 2 to 4 examples of things that you produced through the year. So it's not like, I'm sorry, you can get ready for the next one, but it's not like you are going to write 2 articles today and apply when the applications open. It's not like that. AWS will look for consistency, quality, helpfulness, and must be that some people that it's already contributing. If you're already contributing with the community, you can apply now. If you just started, follow us, follow all those beautiful, lovely girls, because all of them will show you amazing examples how you can become a community builder, and we will help you to join us next year. But it's something that must be something that you already have been doing. You also need to choose a category. And what is the category? It's the category that it's helping them to identify the content of the examples that you are using in your application. You are not tied to this category. I myself became a community builder in the dev tools, but I talk about everything, and I'm different channels, and I talk about serverless, and I talk about many different things. You can also do that. It's just to make it easier for them to analyze the examples that you gave in your application. But when you say how you help the community in this question, you can explain. I help also with machine learning, develop tools. I talk about containers, about database, but my example, it's about AI engineering, and this is the category. When you go into the program, you will be assigned to a channel, but you are free to join any other, because we want you to learn about everything you want. You are super free after. It's just as a reference, okay? And finally, the applications will open for 2 weeks, and it will take 1 month and 2 months maximum for you to receive the answer if you are in or not. One more tip. AWS loves the star format in your answer. So when you explain what I'm doing to the for the community, situation, task, action, and result. And this is one of the things that really can help you to organize the information and help you to craft an amazing and super stellar application to get you out of the crowd and increase your chances to be accepted in the community program. So now we are going to move to the get connected, or the best, or one of the most exciting parts of the meeting today.
So guys, can anyone guess or can anyone comment what you're going to win today, if in case you have given right answers in the quiz? Any guesses?
No.
No.
Good one.
Yes.
Yes.
Credits.
Yes, Astha, Zia, yes, you're right. You're going to win AWS credit to try yourself. You can learn, and you also can do the hands-on.
We'll reveal in the end.
300, 500. Susanna, would you like to shed some light on it?
Yes, okay. So we have 2 vouchers of $100 in AWS credits each. And for the first place, we will have $500 in AWS credits for you to put in an account and try your projects and learn everything that you want. So 2 vouchers, 100, 1 voucher, 500 AWS credits in your AWS account.
Yeah, you're right. Miami is a 500, 100, and 100. So the first winner will have $500 credit to use on the AWS. Second person will have 100, and the third person will have 100. So we have 3 vouchers to give you as a giveaway. But let me give you the very quick rules. Each question has 1 correct answer, or maybe multiple correct answer. We might have mentioned that what is required. Another things, answer quickly, very, very quick, because speed matters. And please don't forget that you're not allowed to do the Google, because it's all about the AWS, and AWS can also track it. And one more thing, nothing is outside. If you have paid attention to our whole session, then and then only you will be able to win. So keep this in mind. So I'm going to share the next screen. You can scan the QR code and can join. Poonam, can you play this? No, we cannot participate.
I know it's always the swags which
Only
get us
for our attendees.
excited.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We'll track you down.
So guys, are you able to scan the QR code? Please comment. Where to answer?
Let me
You
try.
you can't.
Yes, we. Can you just try again, those who are not getting it in the first go?
I got in.
Yeah, even I got it.
Okay, I just tested it.
Okay. Guys, one more thing. Please keep the name in such a way so that we can recognize you.
Yes.
Because we're going to share the credit through the LinkedIn only.
Yeah. Any nicknames? And if you have any nicknames, you have used it, we won't be able to recognize you. No specs for you. We'll give it to the next person.
So don't just like I'm a ghost or I'm
All right.
Oh my goodness, we already have 53 participants.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Wow. This DD, DP, DR, I mean, we won't be able to recognize you guys. You'll have to change your names. Abhi, don't try to play from your other account, huh?
Guys, if you keep funny names, we won't be giving you the vouchers.
Hmm.
I was just testing, not participating. No worries.
Not participating. I'm testing.
Yeah, I was testing.
Someone is facing.
Participant.
No,
Prabhu,
Prabhu, not,
Prabhu, you
it's not for community builder.
someone is facing some QR.
Builder, we are getting $500 voucher already,
Can you
and
paste
also
the link?
the
Paste the link. Hello guys, can we please put the link in chat, because few guys are not able to scan the QR. If you can put the quiz link on chat. And Prabhu, you cannot participate.
And also not AWS heroes as well. Might be someone, but they'll be like, you only excluded community builders, not us.
so guys, are you ready?
Yeah.
We guys joined to cheer you all. Yeah.
Oh, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Prabhu.
We have really, strong and motivating male allies in India. That's for sure. That's for sure. All
Okay,
right.
so we are already have 74 and can't see anything. So can we start?
Yes. Yes. Please start.
So fasten your seatbelt. We're going to start soon. And your first question will be appear soon on your screen. Guys, ready? Anyone still joining? Should I start?
We're getting most of the thumbs up. Yeah.
Okay. So the first question will appear on your screen. You have 20 seconds to give the answer. How many you have pay attention on screen?
Nice question, Poonam.
Thank you.
All right.
Oh my God. So 7% says it's direction graphic. And the 37% only give the answer is a cake. Yes, but the right answer is actually a cake. Yeah. So the next question will appear on your screen soon.
This is a good one.
Yeah, there was a tip shared with you. Woohoo! So 45% says think outside of the box. Organize online sessions. No, guys, it's not compulsory to organize online sessions. Share your social media profile. No, that's also not compulsory. You can do any. You can write blog anywhere, or you can share your knowledge in any platform. So let's check the correct answer, and the correct answer is think outside the box.
Yeah.
Next question.
Oh.
This screen was there almost for the 5 minutes.
Come on.
And if you have joined it from anywhere, yes, you must have noticed that. And it was in a social media from last 1 week.
Yeah. Arjuna, Suzanne.
Still only 49% people has given the right answer. So let's check the right answer. And it's Suzanne Mello. Are you ready for the next question?
Ooh. I think it's an easy one. It's like 100%. Come on.
Pay attention. It's very easy.
Yeah. Woohoo! And I just want to know why this 5, 3, and 2% of people, I just want to know that.
They might have skipped the not word in
Yeah.
between. That's what I feel.
Maybe.
They just click.
Can I say something quickly?
Yeah.
You don't have the accommodation and travel, but as a community builder, you have a huge discount in your reinvent ticket.
That's the reason I haven't added word discount in it.
I was about to share this.
Yeah.
A big gift.
So guys, are you ready for the next question?
Come on, this is emphasized. Puja is emphasized for, I think, thrice.
I think multiple times.
Amazing woman in tech community builder already have shared this information.
Okay, Saurav, you're
Yeah, Saurav, you're not allowed to share in here.
not
Very nice. 97% has given the right answer. That means everyone was paying the attention. Hey, next one. Come on.
I think few of the folks have asked this question in the chat itself.
Yes.
Once in a lifetime.
Yeah. Yeah, so just to let you know, in till 2022 we have 2 applications open in a year, but afterwards you can only apply once in a year, not twice in a year. So guys, it's only once in a year, and they're going to open application tomorrow. So get all this your thinking ready for tomorrow.
And at least I'm glad no one has clicked on only once in a lifetime.
Oh, who is our leaderboard? Okay, the 6 out of 11 answer is completed, and I can see Tejaswini, Prabhakar, Kavya, Krisha, and Dishika already on the leaderboards.
Wow.
Congratulations.
Congratulations, guys.
So, but those who are not in the leaderboards, you still have a time because we have still 5 questions to coming. Next question, Austin Yusuf, come on. Correct. Right. No requirement that you need to be a well-known speaker. If you are passionate and you have a knowledge, you can share it via any social media platform. So guys, the next question is little bit tricky. Yes, we already have discussed many times that you can give your contribution to the community, not just by in-person event, but also by blog and YouTube and any social media platform. So guys, are you ready for the next question? Come on, I can't see thumbs up in the chat. This is a little bit tricky question. I think all questions are very easy, right? Only 2 questions left. Get ready.
I see someone has already got the hint.
Oh, those have given answer yeah. Guys, it's not paid. It's completely free. Great job, everyone. Only and only last question left. Come on. $100% correct. 100% correct.
Let's go to our leaderboard. Who is winning? Come on, come on, come on. I'm so excited.
Great job, everyone. Whether you top or in the leaderboard or not, if you have learned one of the things today, the quiz has did its good job.
Wow.
Ooh, very nice. Oh my goodness. Just look at the difference in between 11 out of
11.
just the 5 seconds difference are there, and they have given all the answers correct. 11 out of 11 correct. Prabhakar, 1 minute and 10 seconds. Kavya, 1 minute and 28 seconds. And 1 minute 33 seconds. Can anyone please take a screenshot?
I've taken. No worries.
Yes.
Congratulations, girls.
Congratulations, everyone.
But we still have a few information super important for you. Be with us, stay with us. We are almost finished, but we still have a little bit information that it's super important.
Abhi, go ahead.
Okay, guys. So congratulations to all the winners, and we are moving further. Go to you, Abhi.
I have just shared the link in the chat. This time it's happening in Bangalore and Mumbai in the middle of the year, around May. So in 1 month, he'll be happening in Bangalore, first in Bangalore, then in Bombay. I will share the dates soon as well. And it's a free event, but you have to register first. Back to you, Abhi. just pasted the link.
Okay, so I would like to add something here. Do you use Discord? How many of you use Discord? AWS channel is also live in a Discord now. Oh, very nice, Ranveer. We are also on the Discord now.
And someone just asked here quickly about if they can mention the participation on that you are part of the community. As I mentioned about the application, you will have questions regarding how you help others, how you contribute with the community. So yes, please tell, I'm a member of the meetup, I gave a talk, I help in any way, show that, because community builder, it's the name, community. You help the community. The technical content that you produce is an example of your commitment, how you help the community, how you make this consistent. But contributing to the community, being part of a community member is something that really matters, and you must mention that, yes, in your application to give it this more strength.
Anyone have any questions?
We can take up questions.
I have one more thing to say, actually, about the levels. Any level of experience is super welcome. When I applied for the community builder in 2023, a little bit of context. I moved from Brazil to New Zealand with no English. I was journalist back in the days in Brazil. I started my life in New Zealand cleaning toilets because you don't need English to clean toilets. And then I learned English, and then I did a boot camp and became a software developer. I never heard about Amazon. Amazon for me was a place to buy books before I discover what is AWS and the cloud and everything. And there was such, I was in love about, oh my gosh, so many possibilities besides, you don't need to be a only software developer to work in tech. There is so many different ways. Then I became a developer advocate about cloud because of the infinite opportunities that you have in the cloud. You can be in a sales, you can be in a project manager, you can be architect, you can be developer. So when I joined the community builder, I actually just got my cloud practitioner certificate. I was learning about cloud, and then I started to go everywhere to explain what I was learning. I went to meetups with junior developers and they explain, hey guys, have you heard about AWS? You know, I was asked to write a Lambda and I had no idea what Lambda is. And then I started to find lots of juniors that also, oh, I never wrote about Lambda. I never thought about cloud. And then I started to tell everyone I was just learning. But I started to write and I started to talk about it. So if you think my content is not going to help you anyone, your content is going to be amazing because your perspective, the way that you explain the things will make a difference to someone. Sometimes this person read so many different things, but the way that you explain makes sense. So don't let anything stop you to create content, to go or write this article and to help others, because the way that you explain something will make a difference to someone else. And your content, I'm pretty sure, will be amazing to someone.
Very true, Susanna. Anyone else? Any questions?
I would like to answer Faiz. For cloud clubs, should contribution be same as community builder? It is almost the same, but within your college or community, how you develop student developers. So if you have to apply, there'll be a separate session for it hosted. So we'll let you know about the same. It'll be posted in the UG Women in Tech page in LinkedIn. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button in your meetup as well. Stay connected so you'll get to hear from us.
Yeah, myself, Goduli. So first of all, thank you for this beautiful session. So I just wanted to ask that I was connected to this AWS user group in Kolkata, and now I shifted to Bangalore. So I'm looking forward to meeting you all guys there, whoever are the folks of Bangalore. So in Kolkata, like yeah, I volunteered some of the AWS events as a host, but my being an IT professional, I'm not working in AWS technology. My technology is different. So even if I write the blogs, I can write them on the integration of that technology and AWS. That kind of blogs I can write. But my like my professional field, the domain is not in the AWS. So is that okay? That's what I wanted to ask. Okay. Thank you,
Yeah.
Abhinay.
The examples that you are going to provide in your form, they must mention AWS solutions, but the content that you create doesn't need to be exclusively about AWS.
Okay, got it, Susanna. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Godili. I could see there is one more hand raised. Mustafa?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, actually, like currently, I am a final year student. I have like made lot of projects on AWS and also went in AWS Cloud Club workshops, made projects and hackathons as well. So, do you think students can also like apply like basis of my project? Like I have made projects and upload on GitHub and mention the description README as well. Like, is that like enough like in order to be a part of AWS Community Builder?
Yeah, so I'd love to answer this question. So I got admitted into this AWS CB program when I was in my final year, 8th semester. So I was also interning in a company. Plus, I was a former AWS cloud captain. Doesn't mean like you should be a cloud captain to get into CB. But however, you have a history of contribution or a history of learning and contributing to the community, definitely you will get in. Keep things documented. And one more thing in your application, never use GPT words. They're very particular
GPT
about
watch. Okay.
yeah, chat GPT words. They're very particular about it. And sometimes rejections happen because of that. So be precise in what you write. It should be your own content, not a hallucination or not a thing from GPT at all.
Okay,
It's
ma'am.
your own personal story, SOP. Yeah.
Okay, sure. Thank you, Janvi, ma'am. Yeah.
Yeah, as I just mentioned, I joined also as a junior developer, and then I just finished a boot camp. I was just starting to learn about AWS and talk about basic service of AWS, how you can get your certification, how, but I wrote an article explaining how you can get your first certification, what is AWS, how you can start your AWS life. So this kind of content. So it's not a technical expert content. So you can contribute with anything that you have to contribute. It must be helpful. Doesn't need to be expert, but must solve problems.
Yes, okay, thank you, Susanna, ma'am. Yeah.
Anyone else have any questions? Guys, best of luck for your application tomorrow.
Thank you.
Yeah, so we have also posted our LinkedIn IDs in the chat. I request all the speakers to also post it in the chat so that you can also connect with us via LinkedIn and ask questions if you're not very comfortable talking in this medium. So yeah, we are active in LinkedIn, so we'll get back to you with your answers.
I think the best idea is we will put our LinkedIn handle in LinkedIn.
Yeah. Yes, Mahipriya.
Hello everyone, my name is Mahipriya. I would like to know about Women in Tech group because I think I missed the opportunity of participating in that. So is there any further events that I can connect?
Definitely, yes. We stay tuned in meetup.com. Like we post everything first to Meetup and then to LinkedIn page. And if you're based out of any region, like they will also
I am in like Gujarat. So
okay, so I guess Poonam or Pooja would help you
yeah,
better
like
with this.
I met Omsri ma'am on the event.
Yeah, Omsri as well. I guess she's out to speak now.
Yeah, so basically you can keep watch on your LinkedIn pages if you are using LinkedIn frequently, and also register on the meetup page. Whenever any event is registered, you will get notification from the email as well. So keep both these social media platform for you, and you can keep eyes on it. If in case you want to apply for some kind of you have knowledge and you want to share it, you can also join any of us and can ask if the CFP are open. We also will put it on the
like the positions or any kind of membership ऐसा कुछ open होता है क्या like for women in tech?
Any kind of membership. As you are joining us, you are a member of Women in Tech User Group India. So there is nothing like a membership. You can just join us. And if you feel that you have knowledge and you can share, you also can apply for the CFP. When basically CFP, like you are applying with your topic and the description that I would like to contribute in this particular event as a speaker.
Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am, for this much information.
We also keep on organizing a lot of events. So there's a community day happening pretty soon in Ahmedabad. So it will be very good opportunity for you to connect with more people and the bigger community. So yeah.
Yeah, there will be one in Pune soon. Where are you based at the moment? So basically, You will be able to find all these community days happening in each and every city of India. And we also can go and join lots of other people. And yes, personally, if you want to do for your own event, you also can do it on on LinkedIn. So basically, you can do an event on a LinkedIn and also can share your knowledge. So any platform is open. So shall we wrap up?
Yes, we can.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you
Thank you
all.
so much. Would you like, each and every person, would you like to keep your camera on? We can take a screenshot.
Yeah.
I'm going to stop sharing. And
Requesting all of you to keep your cameras on so that we can take a group picture. Yeah, I clicked the pictures. Abhi, is it done from your end?
okay. So guys, thank you so much.
Thank you so much for joining us.
You guys back on the Google Meet. So we really appreciated your support and your time.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you so much,
Thank you,
guys, and all the
everyone.
best.
Thank you.
Bye. Tomorrow. Bye bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Yep, they are living slowly.
Happy New Year, Swati.
Yes.
Thank you all.
Thank you.
Bye all. Thank you for the time and the very nice information. Happy New Year to all.
Thank you.
Happy New Year.
Thank you.
New Year.
Thank you, guys. Thank you so much for all the information. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thanks for joining, Ashwini.
Thanks, Ashwin.